Hi, Angel. So you want to make sure that when you are getting ready to crimp a wig or a person's hair, you want to split that section straight down the middle and put that in two parts and pin it up. And that really helps with your crimping process. So you're going to spray a holding spray and a heat protectant, and then you're just going to go right in and crimp it. So my best suggestion is when you go in to crimp, you're going to crimp the hair and then you're going to flip your wrist to where the crimper is super duper straight to where it looks up and down. And you're going to press on the crimper a couple of times to make sure the heat got in there. But when I flick my wrist kind of sort of and make sure that the deep waver is up and down, it intensifies the crimps. So another tip is you want to go in with 3 pieces of tracks instead of 1 or 2. The reason why I say that, because every time I style my wigs, I always use 2 pieces of track instead of 3, and that's how I get my curling process done faster. But with this crimper, you have to go in with 3 or more, because 2 is just too skimpy, I guess, and the crimps come out really raggedy, if I can be quite honest. And so when I did this wig, I used 3 tracks and they came out beautiful. So yes, when you're using this type of crimper, this is the BedHead crimper for Walmart, use 3 tracks instead of 2 or 1 and watch your crimps come out so pretty. And so this is a fall theme wig with the red and orange highlights, and it's a hint of brown at the roots. So I wanted to do something real cute. But yeah, you guys, just continue to watch the video, and thank you guys. And another tip as well, you want to spray more holding spray than heat protectant or silkening mist, because when you spray more heat protectant, it's going to actually soften up the crimps and it's not going to crimp well. So you want to spray more holding spray than the heat protectant. Okay. So I didn't want to keep it at the super hard crimp, so now I'm just going to comb them out to give it a softer look. No, it is not going to curl out the crimps if you did the crimping process the way I said it. Like I said, just spray more holding spray when you're going in with your crimps. But no, it's not going to cut out the crimp. It's not going to comb out the crimps. It's going to give it a more softer, prettier look. So yeah, get into it. Thank you, Angel, so much for watching and tuning in. Give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. I love you, Angel, so much. I'm actually going to be more frequent with my videos. I just been trying to plan content and actually get ready for Black Friday. But don't forget, angels, you're a gem. I love you guys. Stay tuned for more awesome content coming your way, and I will see you guys later. Love you. Bye. Mwah.